Hi, I'm Annette. Today we're doing a crimson and gold look that is customizable to your liking. Let's get started. First, take Mary Kay Chromafusion eyeshadow in Rustic and apply to the eyelid. And be sure to blend just past the crease. I'm using the all-over eyeshadow brush to do this. Next, line the eyes with gold status eyeshadow using the Eyebrow Eyeliner Brush. And then smudge lightly with the Eye Smudger Brush like so. Create a thin cat eye with a waterproof liquid eyeliner pen like this. If you mess up, just clean up any imperfections using oil-free eye makeup remover. Finish off the eyes using Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara. To create some definition, use Mary Kay Chromafusion Contour. Take the shorter bristles of the cheek brush and apply the contour below your cheekbones. Next up is Mary Kay Chromafusion Blush in Golden Copper. Apply with the cheek brush by using the middle bristles. Lastly, use the longer bristles of the cheek brush and Mary Kay Chromafusion highlighter to highlight cheekbones and the bridge of your nose. If you are an ivory or light beige skin tone, you would use these. And if you are a dark beige or a bronze skin tone, you would use these. And now for the lips. I'm a light beige skin tone, so I'm using red Smolder. You can also use Poppy Please. For dark beige and bronze skin tones, you can use red Stiletto or Midnight Red. And there you have it, an amazing glam look that's perfect for my skin tone. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to contact your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant for these products, and be sure to tag us on social media as you try these products yourself. Before you leave, please subscribe for more Mary Kay videos. Bye!